Okay, so today is Saturday, February 1st, and today I learned that a lot of times things are just not as bad as they seem, right? Yeah, that's honestly what I learned today. In social situations, if you're stressed about, something that you have planned ahead and like on the outside it looks like, oh yeah, that would be fun, but then you think more and you're like, oh, this could happen, and then you get really stressed, you get worried about how terrible it's going to be, but then it actually happens and then you're fine, and it was just actually more fun or more enjoyable or just not as bad as you thought it was going to be. So it's true in social situations, but it's also true in like just trying to get things done, like homework. A lot of times it's not as bad as you think. It's a lot easier or shorter than you think, unless you're procrastinating it. you know, like it can get down to the smallest things. Like a small part of your homework is probably not as hard as you think, but also your whole homework is probably not as bad as you think. But also your whole school is probably not as bad as you try to make it seem. And we like complain a lot about these things that we don't even appreciate right? We complain a lot about these things that we don't appreciate, and then we think about it and we're like, it's actually not as bad as I thought, right? Where that was actually more fun than I thought it was gonna be. So I guess your takeaway is to just don't complain and don't be so reluctant to do things, because a lot of times you kind of just have to do it, and if it went bad, then it went bad and you can learn from that. But if it went good and then you missed out on that, right? That's FOMO in not only just social situations, but just in everything. Is just a crazy, horrible feeling, right? So don't be so reluctant to do things, especially when you know it's probably going to be okay. It's probably going to be fun or whatever, and you're just like overthinking everything, then just do it, right? It's definitely not going to be as bad as you think. Yeah, that's kind of what I learned today. Quick one, but I'm really tired and I really need to go to bed. So thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, then I'd love a like and a comment. You can, this video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.